parenting seminars. Videographer Sangeeta Iyer recently met with two such parents and a parenting expert who offer these tips to parents.
Phil Kojanisi has been training parents and teachers across Ontario for the past 5 years.
My goals are basically to empower and influence this next generation, basically my kids. It's about giving them a sense of ownership for the choices that they make.
He says the bottom line is to make sure that the entire family lives in harmony, and he has no doubt his unique solutions will help achieve that goal.
Some of the unique solutions that we offer to parents and teachers is that we would like parents and teachers to give kids choices within limits.
Parenting is the only non-paid occupation, and by the time you get a hang of it, your kids are grown up and gone. If you are struggling with parenting and you need some help and how-to tips, the Dufferin Field Catholic School Board is offering an 8-week parenting program on kids and teen stuff. Reporting from Santa Rose Daycare Center in Mississauga, I'm Sangeeta Iyer for